Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Octa trading app on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. Then just tap on the search button and then type in Octa Trading App to begin your search. Once you find the Octa Trading app, just tap on it and you will then see the install button. Tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the application on your device. Just wait until the process is completed, and once it is done, you can tap on the open button. This will then open up the Octa trading application on your device. Now if you don't already have an account, you can tap on sign up, and if you have a previous account, you can tap on the login button to start using the application right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Octa trading application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.